Okay, so I just want a quick add up on this one. I just saw this, but here you go. This is wood. Was nice fresh one time, but this is what termites do. And this is part of the foundation. Obviously they got up and never treated the wood at all, because you wouldn't have thought it. But look at that. And that's over the years, that's how they've just devastated it. So anyway, I'm going to try and add this on to the next video. Huh? The whole house is gonna get eaten. Anyway, like, share, subscribe, and show people what termites can actually do to houses when they're not treated wood. Okay, just a heads up, guys, because this is what it does. Okay, ciao for now.